All right, Jesse here, Supernova Design Company, checking in June 24th, 2026 still. What do we got going on today? Our focus today is fun with the kiddos, meals and baths covered. We're in single dad mode if you can't tell. And then we're going to take a trip to the river and then come back, get some focus on the shop. Nice, huh? Tasks, specifically tasks today. Going to hit the river, take care of lunches and all that stuff. Pacific Northwest is seeing the 90s today. Hold on, I'm almost done. Get some work done on the kitchen racks when we get back, and we're also going to create a lessons learned database, which at the check-in every day when I'm done with this, I do what I learned today, and I was realizing that would be a handy database to document all the lessons for the company, and to start that early would be even a better thing, especially when we get employees. And yeah, just a good idea moving forward. Challenges, multiple hats. Like I said, we're in single parent mode, so a lot of task switching there today. And also starting up a business, had some IT challenges this morning, trying to get some stuff to work that wasn't working. So it's a good day, busy day, lots of stuff to do. Got a little rascal waiting for me. All right, we'll check in later. Bye. Bye. All right, end of the day check in. What did we get done? We made it to the river and back. It's almost 8 o'clock. We had dinner. Nothing else. What I learned today, relearned you need to uninstall and reinstall programs. It seems everybody needs a fresh start someplace. Had some trouble with some of the Adobe programs. Got it fixed by doing that. We're going to work after we post this video, going to work on the lessons learned database that we didn't do, and also start making a pricing agent. We'll see how far we get on that tonight. I am just too tired to be poking around in the shop. Hot day, cool water, cliff jumping with the kiddos. Yeah, till tomorrow.